Okay, so in this video I'm going to be changing these standard filament bulbs just to go to a nicer plate. See some LED ones which are just a lot nicer, a lot more crisp and less likely to blow. And I'll be doing this on my Nissan Leaf fully electric vehicle. So I'm going to change it from this to this, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so you don't actually need any tools for this job. All you'll need is the LED light bulbs. I'll drop a link to these ones, which I've got in the video description box below, so it's nice and easy for you to get them. It is an affiliate link, so I'll get a little bit of a kickback at no extra cost to you. And thank you if you do go through the link. Really appreciated. Helps out the channel. Okay, so I'm just going to start with the one over here. What I like to do is just give it a bit of a wiggle just to loosen up the seals around there. And all I'm going to do is just push it across to the left and then pull it down. Okay, so hopefully you can see that it's got one of these connectors in, and I'm just going to turn it anti-clockwise so that it releases out. And it just shows us our bulb. Then I get a fresh new LED bulb out of the pack. And remove the old one. Just going to be fairly careful because that's still working. Which is good. Pop that in like so. Nice and easy. Nice click. And just going to put it back in the case. Twist it clockwise now. I'm just going to go and check that is working. Because sometimes if you put it in at the wrong way, you just need to turn it around 180 and it should work. So I'm just going to make sure it's all okay before I put it back in the holder. Yep, so as you can see, that's working nicely. So just going to put up that. And to do this, all I need to do is just do the reverse of what I did before. So pushing it up. And then back towards the right. Oh, I should just click into place. There we go. So really easy job. I'm just going to do the other side quickly. Just go and turn it off. So again, I'm going to push it to the left. Then scoop it down. Turn the lead just anti-clockwise there. Remove the old bulb. So gently, because they still work, as I said before. Just going to grab a new one. That one high. And just going to go and make sure that that's working by put it on. Okay, so you can actually see that that one isn't working. So all I'm going to do is just turn it around. Okay, and straight away it's working. And it even tells you that on the pack. So polarity sensitive. If the bulb is not lit after the installation, please rotate the bulb 180 and reinstall it. So really easy to do. I'm going to put it back in now. I'm just going into the holder and turning it clockwise so it locks in. And I'm just going to go ahead and feed it back into its holder. Okay, so that's all nicely secure. Great. So that's all changed. See, I've got the nice white LEDs compared to those horrible yellow filament ones. So this is looking really smart. Look forward to seeing it at the night time as well. If you found that useful, then please do consider liking the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos on my Nissan Leaf.